Okay, so follow-up question, no? Doon sa question kanina, no? About ano yung cost na to be capitalizable or ano yung cost na expense outright, okay? So, from Milagros Sanchez. So, ang sabi, ang tanong niya is, how about expenses after the purchase and initial use of the asset that extend the life of the assets, no? So, basic rule yan, no? Particularly for the post-acquisition in the IFRS if they meet the criteria, particularly for the IFRS. So ano yung mga criteria? As long as it will increase the future benefits of the assets, it is to be capitalizable. Ano ibig sabihin, no? Increase the future economic benefits of the assets. Halimbawa, yun, no? Yung question mo kanina about extending the life of the assets. Sali yun, no? Extending the life of the assets. Number 1. Number 2, increasing the capacity of your assets. Improving the quality of your output. Kasali rin yan. Ano pa? Reducing the operating costs. So, iyan yung mga increasing the future economic benefits. So, kasali yung extend the life of the assets. Ano pa? So, may mga mga major overhaul, no? Or reconditioning, di ba? After 5 years, after 10 years, kailangan mo ng mag-major overhaul. They're all to be capitalizable. Okay? Ano pa ba? Mga replacement of significant parts, no? Particularly your capital budgeting, no? So, di ba, ano yun? RII yun, no? Replacement of the old equipment, improvement of facilities that extend the life of the assets. And also, expansion. Yan. And also, pwede rin mga major inspection costs, no? Napakalaki in terms of the amount, no? Ayan, kasali yan sa ating capitalizable, no? Ano naman yung to be or not to be capitalizable, no? Mga routine repairs, no? Mga and maintenance, no? Or costs that restore, no? Not to improve the capacity, to extend the life, no? So, hindi po siya to be capitalizable. Okay? So, again, Milagros Sanchez, no? Ano yung mga time wherein you can capitalize the PPE if it will increase the future economic benefits of the assets, such as extending the useful life of the assets, no? Yung kanina, sinabi mo, extending the life of the assets, increasing the capacity